Welcome back to Credit the Book. Today we're going to discuss space, abundance, and reciprocity in the natural world by Robin Wall Kimmerer. This book explores the deep connections between nature and human life, emphasizing themes of gratitude, reciprocity, and community. Through the lens of the Serviceberry tree, Kimmerer illustrates how various species, including birds and insects, engage in mutual relationships that benefit all parties involved. Key themes in this book include interdependence and coevolution. The Salisbury tree serves as a model for understanding ecological economics where relationships and exchanges are based on abundance rather than scarcity. Kimmerer argues that a gift economy rooted in gratitude and reciprocity can lead to a more sustainable and just society. Second, gift economy versus market economy. The book contrasts the principles of gift economy which prioritize sharing and community well-being with capitalist market economies that focus on competition and accumulation. Kimmerer suggests that the latter often leads to environmental degradation and social disconnection. Third, nature's abundance. Kimmerer highlights how the Salisbury tree provides food and resources not just for itself but for various creatures, illustrating the importance of sharing and nurturing relationships within ecosystems. After sharing berries with birds and exemplifies how abundance can be a source of security and community. Fourth, cultural significance. The Salisbury is celebrated in various cultures, particularly among Indigenous people, as a symbol of connection to the land and its gifts. Kimmerer draws on her Potawatomi heritage to emphasize the importance of recognizing and honoring this relationship. Fifth, call to action. The book serves as a meditation on how we can reimagine our economic systems to foster mutual flourishing, urging readers to embrace a mindset of gratitude and reciprocity in their interactions with nature and each other. Overall, the Serviceberry is a lyrical exploration of how understanding and embracing the principle of reciprocity and abundance can lead to a more harmonious existence within the natural world. Thank you for joining us for Food with a Book today, and we hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, you'll be there for the next summary, which I believe might be more. Love to you.